In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to add a Verkamel bot on Discord. So let's get started. So this means whenever someone joins, it's gonna give you a text message showing that this person has joined. So to add that bot, I'm gonna go and search up list of Discord bots. I'm gonna click on the second link and open in a new tab. Not the second one, I'm gonna open this one. My bad. The third one. So once you've opened the link, you'll have to search up welcomer. Alright. Then this one right here, this one, I'm gonna add this one to my server. So I'm gonna click add welcomer Discord bot. I'm gonna authorize it with I'm gonna select the server, continue, authorize it. I'm to verify, and it's done, and that's successfully there in my Discord server. So now if I go there, I'll have to make a text channel first of all. So I'm gonna make a new text channel and I'm gonna name it welcome. So I'm gonna click create channel. Here I'm gonna enter the following command, so you just have to follow me. So I'm gonna write plus welcomer set channel welcome. So now this is gonna set this channel for specifically all the people who join. So once you have done that, I'm just gonna do it again plus welcomer, then set channel, and I have to click welcome. Perfect. I'm gonna click enter, and this is done. So as you guys can see, welcomer channel has been successfully set to welcome. So whenever someone's joined, it's gonna redirect them to this channel and it's gonna say them welcome. Now the second option you're gonna do is plus welcomer. You're gonna click plus text. So I'm gonna start it again. So plus welcomer text. I'm gonna click on this, and then you'll have to click enable, enter. So here, this is done. Now the third command you'll have to add is plus welcomer image, click it and click enable. So this is just enabling, it's just combining all the functions and making one invitation note. So I'm just gonna enable this as well. And the next one I'm gonna do is the last one, plus welcomer DM enable. Done. So now I'm gonna do a test to show you how it's gonna look like. So plus welcomer test. Enter. Just gonna wait for it. Plus welcomer test. So as you guys can see, the test has come. So this is how it's gonna show like. So whenever someone's joined, it's gonna say their name welcome, whatever name it is. In my case, it's how to solve, to the server's name, and it's gonna tell you the number of user, and the profile picture is gonna be displayed here, and additionally it's gonna send a DM message to the person who has joined. So this is how you set up a welcomer bot. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.